Welcome to the preliminary competition of Miss Galaxy IMVU 2021. Please welcome your host, Shani Knowles.
Welcome to the 2021 edition Miss Galaxy IMVU pageant from a beautiful country, hosted on the breathtaking shores of the Bahamas. I am your host, Shani, the CEO of this prestigious organization. Tonight, glitz and glam will be on full display as over 40 young ladies demonstrate their uniqueness, nerve and talent in their swimsuit, fun fashion and evening gown round. These scores will all contribute to the success of this year's Top 20. Without further ado, here are your Miss Galaxy 2021 contestants.
Rose Mist, USA.